Good morning, everyone. Okay, so see, this is the example for course articulation matrix for the CLO measurements. I'm taking my subject expert systems and knowledge engineering. Okay, so by using this subject, I can explain you how to do this course articulation matrix. Okay, first open your course articulation matrix. Here you have to write your subject name and code and section number. Okay, then you can write here assessments. So how many assessments you gave, like that you have to write here: assignment 1, assignment 2, quiz 1, quiz 2, mid 1, quiz 3, final exam, tutorial, or assignment lab. Or here in place of tutorial and lab, so if you have lab means you can write lab activities and lab assignments. If you have tutorial, you can write tutorial activities and assignment for the tutorial. Okay, and coming to here, course learning outcomes. See, this course learning outcomes you can find from the course specification. Okay, see here, this I am opening the course specification. Okay, so this is my course specification, expert system and knowledge engineering. Okay, so go to course learning outcomes. See here, you can find course learning outcomes. If you click this one, because this is a hyperlink, it will open the course learning outcomes. These course learning outcomes you can copy and go to your articulation matrix and paste here, this one. Okay, so how many course learning outcomes you have to paste all these course learning outcomes. So based on this course learning outcome, this knowledge, skills, like this, you have to give the percentage of each assessment. Knowledge, suppose here you have to give 0% in the quiz 1. Suppose example I am telling. Okay, so 0%. Make sure that it should be 100. It cannot cross 100 because we are calculating the course learning outcomes for 100 marks only, right? So see here, if you give maybe 5% knowledge means, so see here it will go to 105. So that is not correct. So because we are conducting the exams for only 100 marks, right? So make sure that you can give 100 marks only, 100% only. So for that you can assign your things, your wish. So suppose you can give the knowledge for assignment also you gave maybe 2%, and here in the quiz 1 maybe you gave 8%, maybe you gave 8%, like that you can make sure clearly everything. So this is the template. So whatever you are giving here, this will come inside this one. See, if you gave before here assignment 2% you give, that means you here you have to write 2 mark. Okay, then you can write all the marks for each and every student, that I will explain you. Okay, so according to that, for calculating the CLOs, CLO 1.1, see here, CLO 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, 2.2, like this. So you can apply these techniques. So make sure that it will come 100% only. Okay, so here this is important, 100%. So like that you can choose whatever you want to calculate the CLOs. Okay, so like this, here suppose quiz 2 100% I give. No, I want to give the mid also. So here mid I gave 10% and quiz 2 I gave 80%. So I can change like this, 80%. See, yeah, 90%. And also I gave here maybe quiz 1 10%. Yeah, see, now you can observe here 100% came. So like this you have to make sure that for 100% for calculating the CLOs. Okay, then coming to the CLO 1.1, here this is the template. So no need to change anything, just you can copy all your student list here and you can write here how much percentage you give, 2%, 10%, like this. So after that you have to paste the mark for all students here, like this, paste the mark for all students. So if once you paste, automatically the result will come here. So the result will come here. See, if I give here 2 mark 2 mark means, so see, the result will come here 1.81. CLO 1.1 is 1.81. So like this it will come. So the same procedure Okay, for same procedure for all. See, this is the my student numbers. How many students? You can paste all your numbers. Okay, automatically. See, based on this home page, articulation home page, it will open. See here, I open assignment 1, this one, and quiz 1 0%, quiz 1 0%, no, quiz 2 8 mark, and mid 1 10 mark, quiz 3 10 mark, final exam 70 mark, like that it will open automatically. So make sure girls here, sorry friends, all will be 20%, final exam will be 20% only. So like this you can open. So based on this home page, automatically here it will open. See, quiz 1 open, quiz 2 open, mid 1 open, like this it will open. So that is your wish. You want to take only quiz 1, quiz 2 or assignment 1, or you want to take only final exam, mid exam, or you want to take only assignment or tutorial, like that, that is your wish. So automatically template will open. So inside the template, what you have to do is just copy all your student list, how many students is there, like that. Suppose these students all in your section 1, so make sure that here you can give highlighter. So from here section 2 will start. So like this you have to do for both sections only one course articulation matrix. Okay, then coming to here mid 1, but now we don't have samples, and we don't find the questions, what questions we gave in the mid 1, like that. In mid 2 also we don't have, and final exam also we don't have, but I will explain the procedure just same like that. You can copy all your students list and you can choose any questions. You can choose only one question or two questions, and here question mark, for example in the question 1 you gave 2 mark, question 3 you gave 3 mark, like that you can choose anything. Okay, so here, so then you can find out the student how many mark got for that question, so you can give that mark. So if you give automatically, see for this question, for example 1 mark, and maybe she got 2 mark in the question 2, so automatically it will count. Automatically it will count because this is template, right? So same procedure for mid 2, see here like this, and same procedure for final exam also. Okay, it's very simple. Only thing you have to do is in the home page you can make sure that 100% of what you want to take for CLO 1.1. see, this is CLO 1.1, CLO 1.2, like this. What you want to do, assignment 1, quiz 2, mid 1 and quiz 3, like this you have to choose and make 100% here. That is only the important. So based on this home page of articulation matrix, all CLOs will open. So once it was highlighted, see this, only this highlighted you can give the mark. Only this highlighted you can give mark for each and every student. That is only the important thing. Okay, thank you so much. That's all.